Rocket Pat here. Hi guys, it's another hot rocket day in the jungle, and it is Memorial Day weekend, Sunday morning early. It's another one of them beautiful Texas days. It's gonna get hot. All right, guys, we are gonna be working on the 1988 Wilderness by Fleetwood camper trailer. You can see already I've got the front panel open. I have finally got rid of the bees, got them killed. I have not pulled the comb out yet, but we are going to work on that today possibly. Probably going to get my buddy Ken over here and scrape all this honeycomb out of here. But that is not the big project for the day. The big project of the day is that this door is messed up. I just showed you a video of this latch assembly, and what the problem is one, this is broke. It's broke because this door is sagging, and these two pins right here need to slide into there, and you can see where they've been beaten on it, and it's because it's all out of alignment. What the problem is, the reason why it's out of alignment is because the way this is made, well, we're going to find out how it's made. You can see this aluminum strip. It's screwed in. It's screwed into wood, and that wood is rotting. There's nothing down here at the bottom, and it's allowing the door to slide this way, throwing everything out of latch over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this door off the hinges. Okay, I'm going to unscrew it here on the 3 hinges. There's 3 screws on each hinge. We're going to unscrew that. We're going to take it inside. We're going to put it on the deal. You can see right here where the sheet metal is not in the track right. Okay, I don't want to damage this sheet metal, so we need to get this taken care of. And we're going to replace the wood that's on the inside of this and get this door rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking properly so that it doesn't damage it, and I got a bigger problem on my hands. So that is the project for today. I'm going to bring y'all back after I get this door taken off, and then we'll start taking it apart and taking a look at it, see how it's constructed on the inside, and see if we can't make this thing work right. All right, guys, we all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking, and I'll be back in a few minutes, and we'll start grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.